Hi, good morning. This is SK. I hope you all had a great yesterday, ending up in green. What happened here? Wow. Let's go back. Let's see what was happening few days ago. All this area here. Sorry. All here. This thing here. This thing here. We opened this. This was a crazy sell off yesterday in the morning. Whoever was trading, they might have seen that this was not expected. Like we were thinking we are going up, and from the second 5 minute candle, we were so bearish. There was no buyers in this area. There was no buyers in this area, and here as well on 30th as well we closed indecision. Yesterday as well we closed indecision. If you guys see, I posted on my YouTube, on my Twitter account, that buying missing, no follow through on SPY and all that. The thing is, when this was over here, one push, two push, three push down. I mean, breakout failed. We came down. Over here. Excuse me. Over here, we this was crazy. We tried to push up, and then we have a very bad sell off. Again, very bad sell off. We couldn't resume here. It just went down, 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 down. And over here at the last minute, all the shorts, they got covered here, and we saw this kind of a rally. The problem was maybe the institutions and the big money. Oh, it's going down. Maybe the institutions, big money and all that, they had kind of a feel that the unemployment ratio and percentage will not gonna impress the market and push the market up. As you all know, the jobs were created way less than the estimated. I believe about 140,000, something like that. And they were expecting 200,000 jobs to be created. So it definitely gives ease to the question that is Fed's gonna increase the rate next this coming meeting or not. So there are possibility they will not, because the unemployment uh, uh, ratio is increasing. Like it's not decreasing, not increasing as well, but it's not decreasing. That's what we were expecting, that we are creating the jobs and all that stuff. So possibility they will not be increasing the rates. I'm sorry, guys. So today the most important day is the weekly candle. Like if you see, we were showing a very good reversal here. Like as yesterday closed. But right now, as before open, we are about 189ish, I believe. So 189ish is about here. We have already given all the bullishness away, and we can see the low as well today. So it's going to be very volatile today. All the bulls who were holding, they can really they can see really bad day today, I believe. Like this thing here, we can see we can retest 186ish. If you go to my yesterday's video, I mentioned we can see that. I never knew that today there is a news. I just followed the news today morning after seeing this kind of a fall. So basically the chart tells you everything. Today was Friday, last day. It has to be volatile. It was looking bullish. That's why there might be some positions people were holding yesterday on options and whatnot. But this is not, like, this is looking ugly right now as of now. So let's go back to 5 minute chart. How would I be taking my day today? I think we can see a bad sell off, as we have started to see in the pre-market. Once they open, the bulls, those who are holding their positions, thinking that we're gonna bounce. And if we didn't bounce, if we see just a barely a pullback, then when they gonna sell, we can see we can really see a bad next leg down as well. This is very, very bad. Like all the bullishness has given away in few minutes. So for first 10-15 minutes I will not be trading. I will be looking for how the candle is forming and all, and then we'll go from there. I hope you all make good money. On I mean, like S&P, I don't do not watch on 2 minute chart. As somebody asked me today, that do you watch on 2 minute chart? I do not, cause then it gives you so many small trades and it confuses you. You know, over here it was a reversal, you know, on a 2 minute chart, but then we see this kind of bull channel. You know, over here there was first leg. You know, first leg. This would have been given, this candle would have mentioned that, you know, might have given us a sign that we are going down. We did go down, but the entry was right here. So you know, it's better to trade a 5 minute chart during the daytime. I do trade 2 minute chart in the open first 10, 15, 20 minutes when the move is really happening. You know, if let's go to 2 minute chart and see, let's see this guy here. um, okay, here, I mean, here this was the entry. You know, this was the entry for 2 minute chart. You know, this entry would had given us good point or 2 point gain, a point gain. You know, so in the morning, when there is a trend, when there is one direction trend, you know, I do take 2 minute chart in consideration. But when the chart is forming or consolidation is forming, or it's a trading range price action, I do not let 2 minute chart confuses me. In fact, I go for 5, 10, or 15 minute chart to see the bigger picture, and then trade. You know, so as of now, I think I'm more bearish. We can see 186 today. There is no way this pre-market, this thing can be resumed. But again, we cannot overjudge last day of the week. The candle was kind of reversal, but the unemployment ratio really really disappointed everybody in the market. So let's see, where do we stand here. I would be seeing a pullback here. After a pullback, whatever the short entry will come, I will take that short entry, and we can trade around this area. And at the end of the day, maybe we can again see short covering, as it's the last day of the week and profit taking is possible. So good luck, guys. I hope this video can make some meaning to it. So I do post my trades before it happens. Like, you know, one of the guys, few guys even tweeted me yesterday that, you know, like, thank you very much for mentioning this. It's not me. It's just a price action. Why I do that? I mean, it's in a breakout mode, looking bearish as of now. This is not the recommendation to buy or sell. This is what I'm thinking. It's my diary. I'm keeping a record for myself. You know, if you see this, if it improves your skill as well, that's great. You know, so hopefully we all can make good money today, last day of the week. It's definitely